My people, so I don't carry another Obonge update come for now on how you fit take make money from the comfort of your home without necessarily stressing yourself. All you just guys do is say, get your smartphone with an internet connection and you're good to go. So, make I introduce myself. My name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is that they go find Obonge updates on anything we concern entrepreneurship, side hustle, and how to make money online. Me now, I go vet this update, I go do the research, and then I go carry the end product, come give my viewers. So that as I dey see bread from all this small side hustle, my viewers sef dey see bread. Now, with all of that being said, the only thing wey you go do for me in exchange for wetin I dey do for una be say just subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell so you go get notified when I drop new content like this, and also like this video so that it go reach YouTube here say the boy dey perform. Now, make we move enter laptop, make I give una the update. Now, the name of this website is called Social Earning, and what this website does is the fact that they can give plenty gigs wey be say you fit just complete and then they go fund your account. And the sweet part be say they fit fund you even directly to your local bank account. So make we just read the updates quick, see as they be, see all the things wey be say they fit offer. You don't understand? So now they said get paid for simple tasks. You can earn money by doing simple tasks posted by advertisers such as following accounts, liking posts, and commenting on posts. Fast payment, your earning will be sent to your bank account in seconds after placing a withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira for anybody wey go dey ask in the comment section below. Now, they even offer bonus on referral. You can earn a bonus by referring friends and family to our platform. You can earn unlimited amount of money and massively from our referral program by earning 500 naira on each user you refer as earner, and they activate their account. You understand? Now, flexible schedule. You fit work at your own pace. Nobody dey stress you. Safe and secure. Our platform is safe and secure. We take the privacy of our users seriously. You fit track your earning. Fast and friendly customer service 24/7. Them day for us. You don't understand? Supportive community. Our community is supportive and helpful, and we're always here to help you with any question or issues where we say you get. Global communities, opportunities rather. Our platform is open to users from all over the world, so you can earn money from anywhere where you dey. Sweet. Now, variety of tasks. We have a variety of tasks to choose from, so you can find something that interests you and suits your skill set. Unlimited earning potential, bros. There's no limit to how much you can earn. So this website is actually very legit. Availability 24/7 they are available. I've tested it out, I've vetted it out, and it's absolutely legit. But the only thing we say you guys do in order to start to earn money from this website, we say you just have to register, right? Once you sign up, you get the second step. Now say you go fund the account with 1,000 naira. Boom, then you fit start to perform. You can start performing all these small taxes. And make I just show una top earners for here first, so una go understand wetin I dey talk. Alright, so see top earners now. We can see these people now. This 238,000 naira. This one don't earn in total. This one don't earn 71,350 in total. This one don't earn 67,500 in total. So now to show you, say, on the website they pay, no worry yourself. Your owner say just they complete the taxes where they want make you complete. And if you complete the taxes successfully, why not? They'll fund your account. And the sweetest part is the taxes are not even that difficult. I'll show you guys in a minute. But make I show you how to take sign up first of all. So once you want to sign up, you will just come here, input your name, your last name, your username, your email, and then when they say register as, wetin you go put na earner. Register as earner, not advertiser. And then referral code. If you use the referral code, we go dey the link below. If not, no wahala. If you just go directly to the website, you get put in your password, everything, you're good to go. Now, once you're signed in, you can easily see the taxes where they say you fit perform. Like for instance, now this one, I just say join this Telegram channel, they will fund you 8 naira. Join this Telegram channel, that's the tax. That's how simple it is. They'll fund you 8 naira. Follow this Twitter page, they'll fund you 5 naira. Follow this Telegram page, they'll fund you 8 naira. Follow this Telegram page, they'll fund you 8 naira. That's how fucking simple the tax is. And every single day, they get up to 150 tax every fucking single day. So that's how simple this one is, and then you can easily withdraw the money to your local bank account anytime when you say you want to withdraw money. Now make we see, let's go to testimonials, make we see what people they actually talk about this website. So this one says social earning has been a game changer for me in terms of generating income while connecting with others. Though this one says though I just started, but it looks promising. Okay, that's nice. I delighted the product and service. I'm grateful and telling others about it. Nice. So you see, say people they talk better about the website, right? This one said the company is helping a lot of people. What I'll suggest is, because me, I've vetted it out and I'm using it, right? So it's not going to suggest we say, just do your due diligence, check it out. And if it's something that you want to go ahead with, no wala, go ahead with it. But this is on point and it works fucking well. Now I at the carry and can't give my viewers. So my people, I don't want to make this video too long, but if you gain any sort of value from this video, I beg, do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And anything where you don't understand, let me know for the comment section below. Also, before you do anything, make sure you do your own due diligence and make sure that's something where we say you go like do before you carry on with any sort of investment and stuff like that. With all of that being said, my people, I will see you now for my next video. And let me know in the comment section below which video you want to make I do next.